Good afternoon, YouTubers, TikTokers. I wanted to go over and do a review on this Greenworks pressure washer I've had now for a while and show you some cool stuff about it and maybe what I don't like on it. This one is an 800 PSI. Ain't gonna blow the paint off your car, but it's better than just straight hose, pressure. They make a newer model. This one's the GDC40, which is 40 volt battery. They got one that's a 50 volt, whereas this one's 800 PSI, and that one's, I think, around 1,000 PSI or a hair more than that. But for what it is, this is still perfect for what I need. I have a gas pressure washer for some of the heavy stuff I need, but it's nice not having to be connected to a hose or worry about having a hose in the area when you're trying to wash something down. So kind of go over what it comes with. So you got your tank. It's probably, I don't know, 3 gallon tank there. And then the battery comes with one battery, and then the main pump and system. Your on and offs on this side. You notice there's a quick connect on it. It doesn't come with the quick connect. Normally you just thread on the hose, but I did add the quick connect just because it makes it nice to take it apart real quick and easy. And that quick connect I think was like 20 bucks on Amazon or something. Kind of like works like a air compressor hose where you just slide it back to pop it out. And on this side is the where you would put in the battery for the have power to it. The water from the tank goes in here. It also has an adapter to where you can run an actual hose in there if you are wanting to use it as with a hose and not want to fill a bucket up all the time. But I use it for this. Like I said, it's handy just to have it mobile. You fill your water up and you can take it wherever you want to go. You can even take it if you're doing car shows and you want to wash your car or something, it'd even be handy for something like that. It's got the hose. I don't know the length. I can't remember. I want to say it's about 15 feet, somewhere in that ballpark. It comes with 2 pressure washer fittings. So you have different grades. You can buy more than that. And then it comes with the wand that splits apart for easy storage. I just throw it in the bucket when I'm not using it. But I did buy, this doesn't come with it. I bought just the hand style instead of the whole wand, because it's nice to get into some other spots with just that little the handheld one. So I use that more than the wand. As you can see, my quick connects on that, and that's normally what it would look like. You would thread in that hose straight to that. So I guess we'll go over what I like and don't like. I do love that it's mobile and you can take it anywhere. What I don't like is the battery. It would be nice to have a second one, because if you're doing sort of a decent sized project and the battery runs out, you're kind of screwed till it gets charged. So it does come with a charger. I just don't have that pictured. But I would say either another battery you'd want to buy or have a quick charger. I think my charger takes like 8 hours is the problem. The one they send with it, it's just your slow standard charger. But I would recommend a second battery if you're going to use it. I don't know the run time. I want to say it's probably like 45 minutes to an hour, somewhere in there. Like most of my other cordless stuff I usually get about 45 minutes or so out of it, which is usually long enough for what you're going to use this thing for. Like if you just want to wash some wheels or your car real quick and whatever it may be. I'm gonna pause it and I'm gonna show you how this works. Okay, so I'm gonna show you basically what you're gonna do, and I don't know if you can see in the water, but there's that little round. That's where the water shoots in. So you can actually carry it around like this. It's not leaking out or nothing like that. And then it's kind of a cool setup. So once you set it on there, it goes down into that connection, and then you'll just clamp it on. on both sides, front, back, just because if it's running, it might shake it loose. So you just do that. And then the battery, we're going to put in here. And it's just going to slide in sideways. Maybe it's hard to push it in with one hand. And then it's got, the battery also has the, they're nice batteries. It shows, the charge on it. And then that shuts, kind of got a little magnetic thing. And then you got your hose. I'm going to undo that real quick. And then we'll just put this quick connect in there. So see how quick that is. It's nice and handy. And then I'm going to show you on the wand, since I'm kind of set up with that. But it ain't going to have any different. Sorry, it's kind of hard to do with one hand. And then these also go in. And you can kind of see, it shows what number they are. How strong the pressure is that's going to come out of that. So I'm going to just throw in the green one for kicks. And again, I'm trying to do this with one hand and it's kind of hard. Okay, so see, it's in there. So how these work, you just turn it on. Like I said, you don't got to plug it in or do any of that. And it works almost like if you've ever used a paint sprayer. Is basically how it works. It'll pressurize it up, and then it'll so if you spray, and so it's got a good, this is pretty good for just being wireless. And you'll just hear it kick on, like I said, basically like a a home paint sprayer. It's just keeping the pressure build up. But it just sucks the water in. You can't even see it, but it's just pulling this water straight through from gravity. But that's some pretty good pressure for being not even hose pressure, just gravity fed into a pump. And then being cordless, being wireless. So I'm really happy with it. And the wand works the same way. I just have the quick connect set to the little one just to show you, but it would shoot out the same pressure and everything on that. So just want to give you guys a view. And would I buy it? Yes, I would buy it again. I'm really happy with it. Like I said, you can take it anywhere, which makes it very nice. Thanks for watching.